just arrived here in Singapore. Kukwento ko sa inyo kung ano yung gagawin ko dito. But it's like a threefold thing. It's a vacation. It's a work trip kasi I'm going to meet a couple of potential investors for our Series A round for the Unboxed group. And also, I get to play Magic and Flesh and Blood over the weekend. Dito si Mrs. medyo nag-meeting siya. Busy. Ako naman, kakain ng lobster roll, hulog. Yan yung lobster roll, di ba? So yeah, I'll update you guys in a bit when we get to our hotel. So since nandito rin tayo, let's check out the Nike shop. May malaking Nike store dito. Oh, sakto, may sale, mid-year sale. 2 for 30%, 3 or more for 50%. Sick. Ganito pala. Nike Air Slides. Oh, not bad. So as you guys can see, we're here in the hotel. We dropped by Nike, pero we struck out. Nothing good in my size. Right now, medyo naliligaw ako. Nasa Life Hotel kami. Nakakatuwa to hotel na to. But anyway, I'm headed to a shop. Every time kasi I go on yung tipong a trip like this, I try to bring stuff that I can sell. So I have a bunch of Magic cards. So tignan natin how much we can sell it over at Ogre. So tara, sama kayo. So we just came from Ogre Games. Wala na naman yung box, guys. Konting na lang. We sold approximately around $600-ish, $650. So that's around 30 to 40,000 pesos worth of cards. So yun na ang ating panggastos for today's trip. So mali pala, guys. Kinumplit ko ulit kasi apparently it's 1,300 SGD. So if you times 41 mo yun, ang nabenta ko pala 54,000-55,000 pesos worth of cards. Solve na tayo sa budget natin for Singapore. So dito kami sa Iron Orchard. Meron dito parang New Balance tsaka Adidas. Sleeping ko na rin sila. Tingnan natin if there are any good shoes. Diba? Let's go! Napabili na naman tayo ng sapatos. So apparently napadpad tayo sa parang sneaker area. Meron dito Royal Sporting House na mixed brand. Meron si The Rock. We have Adidas over here. Tapos yun, yung magandang babae nga. Yan. Misis ko yan. Ito yata guys yung bagong Ultra Boost. I'm not sure though. What? Yan pala tawag sa kanya guys. Ultra Boost Light. Lightest ever epic energy. Ano sa tingin mo, babe?
Epic.
Epic nga siya. Eh, nagustuhan ka na bang sapatos, babe, so far? Ako meron na. Woohoo! New Balance! Doon mukhang madami, oh. JD Wiki Crown yan. King of Trainers. Ano yung nagustuhan mo, babe? May nagustuhan ka na ba?
Cute sana to eh.
Bakit cute? Dahil may flowers? Tsaka sale, 40%. Baka gusto mo.
Kaso may fur.
Boots in the fur. Ito yung bagong Jordan 3 guys. That's Jordan 4s. Black yellow. So, nabili ko yung New Balance 990 V6. Sobrang matagal ko na ito hinahanap sa Philippines. Pero mahal pala niya. Ano siya, babe? 350 plus Singapore dollars. Times 4. Palagi mo ng 4. Halos mga 15,000, 14,000. Ano na pala kamahalan New Balance? Kung alam niyo yung kwento, ba't sobrang mahal na ng New Balance? Comment down below. O, ito na yung gusto na misis ko. Sephora.
Kalimutan ko wallet ko.
Andito nga ako, so turo mo lang ano gusto mo. Ako bahala sa'yo. Yo, so nandito tayo sa hotel ulit. It's actually the next day. We have the New Balance 990 V6s here. And gusto ko lang siya i-unbox at ipakita sa inyo. So yun yung box niya. Just like with the other 990s, this is part of the New Balance Made series, which is basically designed, and a lot of it I think is made in the US. I'm not sure if 100% of it anymore, or 100% of anything anymore is actually made in the US or in any country. Parang karamihan talaga nangyayari na sa China. But anyway, so you have the sneakers here. So pagbuksan natin siya, grabe. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Panalo talaga. So what you have over here is pig skin, some sort of mesh. And kung titignan ninyo, nagbago na talaga yung upper niya compared to the previous New Balance 990 series, which marks I think the most dramatic difference in look pagdating lalong-lalo na sa shape ng upper. Pero yung pinaka-difference sa 990 V6 compared to the V5, the V4, and the other series is what you can feel when you wear it. Kasi the insole actually uses the new fuel cell technology already of New Balance, which makes it supposedly far more comfortable than your previous New Balance series. So you can actually see that over here, na mas makapal yung midsole niya compared to the other 990s. And that's actually the reason why I was super excited to pick this sneaker up, kasi I wanted to try it. I've always been a fan of the 990s, lalo-lalo na yung V3s and V4s. So it is exciting for me to actually see what the 990 would feel like and look like with the latest and most updated technology of New Balance. Ikaw, babe, ano sa tingin mo sa sapatos? Kagising lang namin. So anyway, yun lang guys. I'll head on over to Chinatown right now to buy a few more cards. So yeah, 990 V6s from New Balance. Super happy to pick them up. Ito na naman tayo sa Ion Orchard. Babe, kaway ka naman sa fans mo. Oh, may mahabang pula. So there's like a massive line here. I don't know what it's for. Para yata sa sneaker drop eh. So apparently yung queue na yun was for Swatch. So siguro may drop today ng Moonwatch. Ano yung Moonwatch? Omega ano yun? Omega Swatch. Kala ko sapatos. Anyway, lunch muna kami. So this is like a New Balance. What do you call it? It's a shoebox?
Yeah, it's a shoebox.
It's a shoebox that's also, I guess, a bag, right?
Yeah.
So inside you have two pouches for the shoes. So this can fit like two pairs?
Yes.
Two pairs, two colors. And the other side is like, I guess, kind of see-through. And you can put stickers. It's 290 SGD. Parang babe, New Balance day, no? Yeah. Sweet.